Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. As always, want to start off the video by saying thank you to all the supporters, all the viewers, all the subscribers out there making this channel what it is. Immensely appreciate that. If you guys do like the content, if you guys do like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. Today, I thought I'd go through the portfolio and talk about 3 of the biggest regrets I've had in the portfolio with regards to stock trades. This comes in response to a viewer on the channel asking exactly that. What are some trades that I could go back and redo if I could? So, selected 3 stocks here: LB, L Brands, EFX, Equifax, and CTL, CenturyLink. 3 stocks that I had initial plans for, deviated from those plans, and because of that, lost quite a bit of money and potential gains. So let's kind of jump into these 3 stocks and talk about them. You've heard about LB, L Brands, and EFX, Equifax in the portfolio because I have done some day and swing trades with those. Did not stick with my original plan, and because of that, lost quite a bit of money. And the 3rd stock here was a stock I was thinking about jumping into, did not pull the trigger, and then again, lost a lot of potential gains because I did not do that. So L Brands here, LB, you've heard about this stock in the portfolio before. You can see some very large trades there in the middle. This is the parent company to Victoria's Secret as well as Bath and Body Works, a couple of very popular brands that have very loyal customer bases. Because of that, I thought about jumping into the stock. At the time, the stock was trending down quite dramatically here, even below what it started trading for about 5 years ago or so. And since that time, it's done nothing but go up. You can see over the past 1 month, it is up 26.09%. Over the last 3 months, 43.96%. So I probably wouldn't have caught that whole 43%. I was going to jump in around $41, $42, $43 or so, but still lost a 35+% trade over the past 3 months because I got out of the stock prematurely. So one of the biggest regrets, and I really thought this was a great play because of the very strong brands it has. Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, even though some of the brick and mortar stores have been suffering because of online sales, this company could easily do online sales, and it has a very loyal customer base, very popular brands that really doesn't have rivals at the moment. So it has a very durable competitive advantage. I thought about jumping in, did not do that, and you can see this nice uptick in the price of the stock here. So by far, probably the largest regret in the portfolio. So yeah, that's L Brands, LB. The second one is Equifax here, EFX. If we go to the 5-year graph, you can see this dramatic drop in the price of the stock here. Let's go to the 1-year graph to kind of get some more detail there. As you guys know, it had a very large breach in its security. Lots of customer info was stolen, and because of that, the price of the stock dropped from 140 all the way down to 96. I jumped into the stock right around here, less than $96. Got out of it right away because I was scared it was going to drop even further, but you can see over the past month here, 8.55%. Over the last 3 months, 28.96%. So one of the other large regrets in the portfolio. I wish I would have stuck with my original plan because really, save the breach in the data, the company doesn't have a lot of competitors. This is a company that has a very strong, durable, competitive advantage. You can't really get into this space. There's only a few companies that can really do what this company does. And really, the company doesn't change any of its fundamentals other than that data breach. Yes, it's a pretty big negative for the company, but this is something that could have happened to any of these companies. So really, really regretting this trade. Again, has a very strong, durable, competitive advantage. It's very hard for any of its competitors or upstarts to jump into this space. And because of that, you can see it's trailing up here very nicely. I still think this is probably fine to get back into. I've yet to pull the trigger, but really was thinking about getting into it around this point here. So the second biggest regret in the portfolio is Equifax here, EFX. These opportunities don't really present themselves often. A company with a very strong, durable, competitive advantage. It has some very, very, very bad press. It drops because of that, and you can jump into that stock and pick it up when it's essentially on sale at a very deep discount. So the second biggest regret in the portfolio. And the third one here is CenturyLink. I was going to jump into this company. You can see how it's trailed down here over the past 1 year. But if we take a look at the 1 month graph, and I was thinking about jumping into this about 5 weeks or so ago, you can see it's done nothing but go up here, 19.63%. A very high risk play. But again, this company, I think, doesn't have a lot of competitors. This does broadband internet, kind of competitor to cable internet, which a lot of folks hate. I thought this would be great to get in, especially at this very deep discount here at 1.35, 36% down. Did not pull the trigger. And you can see here how the performance has been, 19.63%. And it also had a very large dividend because of that drop in the stock price, 9.083%. Its earnings have been going down. But again, I think this is a company that was on a very, very deep discount. And even if it's not worth $22, $23, $24 or so, it is still worth, I think, 20 plus. So a missed opportunity with CenturyLink, CTL. So the three companies again, CTL, CenturyLink, EFX, Equifax, and LB L-Brands, three of the biggest regrets on the portfolio. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about those regrets. Is it just being hindsight being 20/20, being a little bit too critical of the portfolio, or should I have stuck with my original plans and held those through the uptick? Wish I would have done that. Again, regret trades. Wish I could go back and change those, but I can't. So LB, Equifax, and CTL. So please let me know if you guys have any similar trades like mine. And kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, we'll see you then.